everybody, we got a BNSF eastbound, but it's moving. Yeah, it's moving. I heard the horn earlier, but I did not know it was coming. Everyone, can I tell you guys what I see on that BNSF eastbound? Cause I know I'm not seeing a fake bonnet. Wait, is that City Rail? No, that's not City Rail. That's a fake bonnet. Bruh, what is that? Is that the executive Mac? Shop is that? What kind of last shop is this? That might not even be a Dash 9. What kind of last shop is this? Bro, what kind of last shop was that? Bruh. What kind of last shop was that? What kind of last shop was that? What kind of last shop was that? It had the executive back. It had two classic power. What kind of last shop was that? Who decided to make a last shop like that? All right, everyone. What kind of last shop was that? It had an executive Mac. It had an executive Mac and a war bonnet on one train. That's not possible. What kind of last shop? And I think it had an AC-44. I don't even know what that is. I think it's an AC-44. I can't even talk right now. What kind of last shop was that? I can't even find words for that, everyone. I mean, yeah, it's a good train because of that, but what was that? What in the world? That was like strange. And you guys can't say that's not strange. I never saw nothing like that before. That's not possible. There's no way. Two classic powers that is very rare, that I rarely see, is gonna be on the same train. There's no way. No way. That did not just happen. If that actually happened right now, I'm gonna be so happy. Cause you know what? That was the best last shop I ever saw, to be honest. I don't know if that's AC4400CW, but I think it is. Because I think any number that has 56 or something is a last shop. I mean, a AC44. Bro, how is this happening? Look over there. Is that a NS high top? No way. This is not happening. A NS high top. Nah. Those are actually hard to catch. Nah. NS high top. Actually, you know what? I'm dancing right now, everyone. Oh, yeah. Sorry. I'm dancing because I'm actually very happy right now. There's no way. I'm actually happy. They might have an auto rack on this train. If they have an auto rack, I don't even know what else to say. That was just one rare train. I never saw nothing like that before. No way. Class classic power on one track. Yeah, everyone, I don't know what that was all about, but that was the best lash up I ever saw. That was like an executive mag and a war bonnet. That's not possible. There's no way. Why is that making that sound? There's no way. Now we got Burlington Northern. Those are kind of rare to catch Burlington Northern hoppers. I mean, it's rare for me. There is no way. Burlington Northern hoppers again? No way. There is no way. And that one is, these are some very old ones. Very old hopper cars. And an NS? There's no way. That was awesome. That was the most awesome lash up I ever saw. They had the executive mag, the war bonnet. I can't even talk right now. The fake bonnet. Well, I'll catch you guys later.